Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to show you my August nail haul. So I'll be starting first with this book. So this one is called The Little Black Nail Book. So I saw this one from a nail tech that I'm following. She's Classic Molly. So I saw that she uses this to plan her mani and to plan her design. So I was like, I need that book. So I went ahead and purchased it. So yeah, it comes with some freebies. The other one is a bookmark. This one is like a fake money that you can use to decorate your nails. And this one is I purchased separately. It's not like part of the book. So these are acrylic practice pages. So it comes with three pieces, and here are some details to this paper. So it's actually not a paper, it's like a cardboard, and you can actually practice acrylic here and you can apply directly on those nails. So this one is the basic application, the other one is like the ombre application. It says there, I think this one is like also pink and white. I think that's like the baby boomer. So yeah, I am really excited to use this one since I am really practicing my acrylic application. So this is really a helpful one, and I got these three pages for $10. So she also gave me this price list for free, so you can put here your rates. But I don't work for salon, I just do my nails at home, but that is really generous. And yeah, moving on to the book itself. So this book is actually thick and I really love the concept of this book. So this one is the second edition. She also had the first one, the first edition, second edition, this one, and she recently came with a third edition, which is sold out when I tried to buy this one. This second edition is $26, which is, I think the price is okay because you really get a lot of pages, and there are also some sample designs here where you can trace and you can like recreate or follow. So I really love that one. And it also have pages here for rhinestone placement. So there are like this one like popular crystal placement, so you get an idea how to properly place rhinestones. So I think that is so cool. So for the pages you'll be getting like different shapes and length. So for example, this one is the coffin shape. So it comes with different sizes of nail lengths. So these are like super long, these are medium, and you can also get short. And this one is stiletto, so it is really super nice. I really like the idea of this one. So I also have the one from Maniology. So it's basically the same concept, but that one is like just pages, and this one is like the book itself, so you can compile. So I really love this book. And also from the same company, I also bought this foil. So this one is like a nice foil to use like on a black nail. So yeah, moving on to acrylics. So these are ANACRYLICS. So this is my second time buying from them, and I got their nude collection. So these are the nude collection, but I didn't buy the whole collection. I just chose some shades and I'll be showing it to you, but I haven't swatched it yet. I am just going to like remove the lids and show the colors. So for this new packaging, they already included this like lid or stopper. So the previous packaging that I got from them, it's not that secure. The powder leaks when you like turn the jar itself upside down. So I love that they improved their packaging. So here are the colors. So 5 of these are from the nude collection, and that black one is Maleficent. So these swatches is from the previous purchase that I made. Some of these are the pastel collection, which is a kawaii collection, and some of these are the princess collection. So these colors are the nude ones. So yeah, let's move on to dip powders. So this one is from DIPALICIOUS nails. So this is their their Moon Glow collection. All of these are white dip powders, but they glow different colors in the dark. So I am going to show you like picture from their website because I haven't swatched them yet, but I wish that they included what color is in the jar, like for example if it's like blue, yellow, but I'm just going to write it down for easier access, or for that so that I can easily identify it. But yeah, I actually am so excited to try these ones. Alright, moving on to my next purchase. This one is from RITZY Dips. So I only got 3 dip powders from them. So this one is Jellyfish. So this one is clear dip powder, but it glows purple in the dark. So I'll be inserting photo here. And these 2 colors are from their August duo. So it's called Tiffany and Prism. And here is the swatches. So one color is solid and the other one is a chunky glitter. So this is more of a shards glitter. And then moving on to another dip company. This is my first time ordering from CONFIDIPS. So I got 2 different sizes. One is the 0.25 ounce and the other one is a sample size. So here are the colors, and this one is nice for Halloween, so I bought that one. And this too is a black foil, and most of these are flakes and foils because they have the most beautiful like flakes and foils. And here are some of the colors that I got. So I think 2 or 3 of these are like thermal. So I actually already used one color here, which is in this many. It is so gorgeous. This color is called Burning Embers. So this one is a thermal changing color, and I'll be inserting a picture of the mani that I created. I am so obsessed with this color. It is really super pretty. So yeah, I will be putting all the links of the products that I showed in today's video in the description box below. So again, these are the colors that I got from CONFIDIPS. So now let's move on to Panda Dips. So this company is also my first time ordering from them. So these are all 15 dip powders because I chose to get their 5-pack samples. So you can choose 5 colors for $17. And this one is a sample size, but as you can see, the product is almost full. The jar is almost full, which is amazing. So one jar will only cost you $3.04, which is really cheap, and the amount of product that you'll be getting is really good deal. So here are the swatches. So some of the colors here are thermals, some are foils, some are like flakes, and I do have some chunky glitters as well. And yeah, I am really loving this color. So yes, stay tuned. I might use some of these colors on my next videos. So lastly are these dip powders from CN Designer Dips. So I know these are a lot of colors. So because recently they released a lot of collections, and I think these are 2 collections. These powders that I'm showing you are from 2 different collections. And again, I got the sample size, which is 1 teaspoon, which I think is okay for me since I really don't finish all the colors in a jar. And I really wanted to try each colors she releases because they are all so beautiful. So this collection that I'm showing you right now is part of their Mermaid Volume 1 and Volume 2 collection. So yeah, I think I got all the colors from their Mermaid collection. So yeah, here are all the colors, and I know summer is almost over. You can use some of these colors for fall and winter. So here are some of the random colors that I got also from them. Some of these are glow in the dark, and some of these are thermal and glow. So yeah, that's it for this big tray. I'm now going to show you what's in this small tray. So these are all 15 dip powders or colors, and this is part of their Enchanted collection, Enchanted Forest collection. Other one is Harvest Sunset collection. So in this tray there are two collections which are all very nice for fall. So again, I got the sample sizes or the sample jars, which is really practical so that I can buy all of her collections. Because honestly, right now she releases like 3 different collections again, which is their Immortal collection, Wizarding collection, and Halloween. So there are a lot of colors from this company, but all of them are all amazing. So yeah, here are the swatches of these 2 collections. They are so gorgeous. So some of these are foils, some of these are like chunky glitters, and some flakes and shimmers. So yeah, that's it with my August mini haul. So I didn't bought a lot from last month and last July, but yeah, I hope that you still enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment box below, or if you have any questions. Thank you so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!